Now, the main reason that we recommend a trust is because the trust avoids probate court altogether, right? So, one of the things that we want to make sure that everybody has are what I call the 4 critical documents that you need. And the first document is a trust. Now, what a trust is a legal document that transfers your assets into the trust, and it designates a trustee to be in control of those assets for the beneficiary's purpose. Now, the main reason that we recommend a trust is because the trust avoids probate court altogether, right? An asset that's in a trust can automatically be transferred to the beneficiaries upon the death of the person who's the grantor or the settler of the trust, which is basically the person that creates a trust. Now, the reason why we recommend this trust is because, in addition to everything that we've already discussed about the probate fees, there is a delay when you do probate administration. And so, when you're looking at an administration and you've already designated somebody to be your executor, and they now have to go to the probate court to get permission to collect your assets that you already said they could collect. And then they have to go through probate court and identify what those assets are. And then they have to go back to the probate court and ask for permission to distribute those assets. And they have to hope that there's no fighting or discord amongst the siblings or the heirs. We recommend a trust because the same thing almost happens instantly with the trustee. You see, the assets are inside of your trust, and your trustee can distribute those assets immediately upon the death of the person who set the trust up. They don't have to go through probate court to get a letter of authority to act because the trust already gives them the authority to act. They don't have to go through probate court to identify all the assets that were in the trust. The trust already outlines those assets. And they don't have to go back to the probate court 9 to 12 months after death to get the probate court's permission to distribute the assets. They can literally do that the next day, right? Your loved one passes away, they could transfer those assets to the beneficiaries or the heirs immediately.